Okay, this one is tempe mendoan. It's special food from Indonesia, and this one is cihu, cireng tahu, and this one is barbecue shrimp. Right. This is tofu, and this is barbecue shrimp with special sauce, and this is kangkung, pelacing kangkung. So it tastes like pelacing or special sauce from Indonesia and special vegetables from Indonesia also. And this one is famous food from Indonesia. It's called sate with peanut sauce and chip also from Melinjo. Melinjo.
Corn.
Right. And this one is sop buntut. Sop buntut. But the buntut you grill like barbecue, and then this is the soup.
And
Specialty from Bandung, teh tarik.